Welcome aboard, everyone.
Mic check, mic check.
What exactly is out the box, and why do our traders absolutely love it? Michael Othrew.
DCDM NQ on the 1.
New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave.
Are you ready? Indeed. It is FOMC. I'm a few minutes late. FOMC just released right now. Market's not going too wild, but I have now moved to the 4s. And here we go. Okay, so let's listen in on the juice.
New bar on the wave.
And we'll let them talk. So again, if you are just now tuning in with us, sorry I didn't get in here to do any prep for this, but it is FOMC day. If you don't know what that is, well, let's just listen in. We'll talk after.
Appropriate. Enigma long on the NQ4. Speed of NQ 190.
Okay, so nothing terribly crazy so far here on FOMC. Kind of a little
and Fed staff's
lackluster so far.
Similar to the March outlook, but noted that deteriorating household financial positions, especially for lower income households, might prove to be a bigger drag on activity than anticipated. Participants noted recent data had not increased confidence in progress towards 2% and suggested disinflation process would take longer than previously thought.
All right, so we're sitting on hands here for about 3 minutes.
Speed of NQ 62.
Yeah, that was pretty weak, right? Nothing crazy. We're right at the P point though, right? They brought it into the P point. Let's see where we're at in the golden ropes, high time frame. Yep. See, and this is what I've seen many, many times over many years. You know, pre-FOMC stuff. We're gonna put it into the high time frame zone of what I call safety. I mean, nothing's safe in the industry, let's be honest. But we're talking about where some hedge fund manager's not going to get his head handed to him if he tells his boss man, hey, I bought the 200 or I bought the 50 moving average, you know, the golden ropes.
Meeting minutes last at 4.462%.
So they'll move that price into that kind of like, well, boss man's not going to fire me if I take a trade here kind of place, you know what I'm saying? All right, so now I have moved to the 4s. So in case you're wondering, I am on the 4s right now. Very large compared to what I'm normally doing here because expecting some larger, wilder movements here
on the 9.
For FOMC. And I'll start moving it back down if the speed, you know, it's all about the speed. We'll gear shift, how I teach it, how I do it. Sit on hands another 30 seconds or so. While you're doing that, smash that like button so you don't press the buttons on the buy or sell.
New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave.
The Dixie last up 0.2% at 104.79.
Speed of NQ 77.
Okay, 77. It's pretty good speed here for the 4s.
New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave.
US short-term interest rate
Speed of
futures
NQ
down after the
66.
FOMC minutes. Traders still betting on a September start to the Fed rate cuts.
Okay, so a little bit of a lackluster
New
FOMC there. Pretty smooth movements, actually. So didn't get too wild. So I'm going to shift into my normal fun here. I'm going to go to Algo Bar 2s. Pretty quick down here. 200 might be a little fast, but wow. Anybody catch that moonshot on the 2s? Anybody rolling with the 2s? Look at it. All on the bottom again like it did this morning. Amazing. Another one for the up move up to 14.5. Let's see what that move was. So even to the 14.5, that's 158 ticks up to the next red, and currently at 194. So we're about 200 tick up move there. There's a Gartley. Let's see how this Gartley holds. If it snaps, nope, it held. So I'm not gonna try to break it on the cracker. Let's take a peek at the MACVU.
Divergence down
Currently.
on the 9.
Currently sell side for runners. That's everybody know that, right? Pretty clear. If you are new with us, I'll try to catch up with you here at the end, but go back and watch some of our other streams here. I came in a little bit late right before the FOMC news event and had to take some calls and do some stuff here today. If we get to 50 likes, don't forget I'll play the entire session. If we don't get to 50 in the first 15 minutes, then we'll go ahead and cut it at 15 minutes. So we got about 7 minutes to get to that 50 likes, and we'll play the whole session.
Speed of NQ 134. Speed of NQ 134.
All right, we're at that P point.
Along on the NQ2.
There's an Enigma long. If we break that red, I'll go with audio box. Listening for audio box. Listen for it. Nope, didn't hear it. Left hand buy, right hand sell. Harmonic structure still holding. We haven't seen a break yet. Well, we did here, but I mean, it still bounced up, so it's not a break. Left hand buy, right hand sell. Shorts favorable on the day currently.
On the 9.
Gartley, first one to break. First one to break. So let's see, that could mean we have further up move. Let's see. They might be trapping in some more and head up to that P point. Emmanuel, my personal opinion, 20. Most common pullback across a lot of backtest studies. 21 ticks is the most common pullback across majority of all instruments, actually. That pulls back and returns to highs. It's a statistic. Okay. Left hand buy. Let's see if we crack that Gartley.
NQ on the 9.
Nope, it faked me. Close it, close it, close it. Oh, shoot. I missed. Wow. I missed. Sorry, I was still thinking about your question there. All right, so I'm going to take the Enigma there. on that one, and I just messed up there, so I'm not thinking clearly there. Get that up there for a bit of some runs. Might be the first move, might be a fake, but this could be the move to the P point as well. A little bit of a bigger risk here. Finger over the close in case you start to break down.
Speed of
Mistakes, closing it out. Okay, so stopped underneath that cross. It needed to get going. Sorry, I was still thinking about your question there on the 20s and trying to give you some stats there. So remember, sell side, the reason I have to close that quickly is what, right? We know that still is sell side. If it had broken that, would have been great. But again, structure still holding, right? It's tipping its hand, kind of showing us what's up.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Potential 2 try. Okay, 2 try, I'm coming back in, same deal, stop under the cross. If it doesn't go, nope, no go. Okay, 2 try, gotta move my counts here. 2 count, tricky here. Hasn't made the run to the P point yet. Waiting on a bigger trap there, it seems like. Joku, you've been banned before, my friend.
78.
Sorry, Charlie. Tough luck.
78.
You would need to call the number on the bottom of the website. I remember your trolling, bro. I don't appreciate it. Go pound sand, bro. Okay, so we cracked that shark. Tried for it, but no. Still going to be faking up. Wow. Okay. Tricky post-FOMC. Curtis banned that account. Well, you're banned again, bro. Go pound sand. Call the number on the website if you're for real.
66.
Okay, that looks like a trap. Save a break. Nope, break of the bat. Okay. Yeah, not getting good reads here. I'm gonna draw this as a region. So big play is coming. I'm shifting from small to large. I need 4. 4 big. No, 5 big. So, wow, missed the P point by a hair. Drop down, and again, we're still sell side. All right, we're starting to break through there. Nope, closing it. Okay, so breakthrough on the cross. Not ready. Not ready for me. Okay, cracking the 50 cent. I heard the audio box start to kick. Let's see if that's the trap. That would be an amazing trap right there for a bigger play. Bigger stop up underneath the cross and the bat. Looking to add if we go. Close if we don't. Looks like a nice juicy trap, but will it be? Let's find out.
Speed of NQ51. Speed of NQ51.
Oh, break that, Gartley.
Fib.NQ.
Break it. Break it. Thank you. Okay, we got a crab there. We need to take some targets in the crab. In case that crab holds. If it snaps, I can push. Oh, don't tap that, Gartley. King timing push. Come on. King timing push. King timing push.
Fib.NQ on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 9.
Okay. Hoo. Me playing inside of this zone and getting it. So I can already feel myself super frustrated. The levels of chat already. I already had to yell at somebody today. Somebody who's semi-close to me as well. So you guys know my no list. So I have swung and a miss inside of this zone this entire time. I'm playing inside this middle fiddle zone. And just not in the mood today. So I'm going to take a red day. And did we get to 50 likes? We did. It's post-FOMC. I don't know that I'm going to do much, but I'm definitely going to go take a break right now and grab some steam. When I said that guy could call, like he's already calling, he's calling the line right now, whatever. So anyhow, tough one for me. Post FOMC turd. I still felt like we're gonna run up into that P point. Like, wow, tough. Was easier this morning. I'll be back, but I'm taking a break. Thank you for the 50 likes though. So I'll keep it on, but I'll be back after I get a cup of Joe.
New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave.
Speed of NQ58. Speed of NQ58. Speed of NQ66. Divergence up NQ on the 9. Speed of NQ56.
New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave.
Dixie extending gains up 0.28%, and the S&P 500 extending decline down 0.56%.
Speed of
New
NQ100
bar on the wave.
divergence
New
of
bar on the
NQ
wave.
on the 9.
New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave.
Speed of NQ165. Speed of NQ165. Speed of NQ79. Enigma long on the NQ2. Speed of NQ57. Divergence down NQ on the 9. Speed of
New bar on the wave.
NQ70.
New bar on the wave.
Speed of NQ70. Speed of NQ80. Speed of NQ86. Speed of NQ76. Speed of NQ89.
NYMEX diesel June futures
Speed
settle
of
at
NQ89.
$2.43 a gallon. NYMEX gasoline June futures settle at $2.46 a gallon. NYMEX WTI crude July futures settle at $77.57 a barrel. That's down $1.09 or 1.39%. And NYMEX natural gas June futures settle at $2.84.
Speed of NQ82. Fib.NQ on the 9.
Alrighty then. Oh, what? Okay, hold up. Are you kidding? So right as I... Okay, so that is going to add to my frustrations from people and other things from today. The market, I mean, so basically I played this and then this just lays itself out for me. I hope you guys crushed this. Wow. Okay. All right, Control R, remove drawing objects. All right.
Speed of NQ6.
Yeah, all I can do is laugh, right? Did I just help everybody? I mean, I should just walk away for a minute. So here's where I usually come into the markets anyways. Look, it's 2:30. This is when I like to come in, like that 2 o'clock, FOMC, there it goes. Did we even touch the P point? No, look, we floated under it. So that should have given us all the knowledge that we needed. Red dot comes in, we drop it like it's hot. Awesome. Prior low down below us. And yeah, just stick to the rules, folks. Don't play in the fiddle in the middle, and just 100 different little things there. I feel like I'm running around like a chicken with its head cut off, like doing 100 things today, personally, all that kind of whatnot. I'm gonna grab this break here, real quick. See if I can get this first one out the gate here. Stop behind the cross. Oh, and it turns into a cluster, so I'm gonna go back the other way. my. All right, so and are we inside the diddle? Oh my word, are we flat on the diddle? Okay, so this is dangerous. Sitting here flat on the diddle, but that's a 15.6 flip on a cluster, so I mean, I've got to at least give that a shot.
Target filled.
I got my work cut out for me here. Literally the most, what have I said? For me, that is the most dangerous place to take any plays there. Like a literally floppy, sloppy rubber band. So I'm just coming over here already looking at the uphill battle that I got going on here. For that one. Okay, so that was on a bigger, what did I got that set to? 20 and 30. All right, so I got a 20 tick target and a 30 tick target there for a few. Unfortunately, had to cost a little bit there on that flip. All right, I'm gonna try to sit on hands here and during this little complete flatness here and try to make up for some lost ground. Yeah, in the trolls scenario, don't even get me started. Like the trolls now are like they're attacking my wife now. Isn't that? I mean, pure parasites in the ICT and Rocket Scooter Land. Absolute pure parasites. Their day is coming. That's all I can tell you. It's coming. All right, let's draw some zone. This is a very clear zone.
Speed of NQ52.
ECB Schnabel says if data confirms the outlook, a June cut is likely.
Literally could not be any flatter right here, so I'm gonna try to hold off on that. If I was up on the count, I might give some swipes at some of this, but I'm down in the count. Got my workout out for me here this afternoon. Let's switch back over to 5 smalls. But as wound up as this has gotten, no, I'm going to big. Now, I think the big play is coming, so I'm going to switch back. I'm going to do the bigger. Looks like we're going to have a big play opportunity coming up there. Yeah, I caught that 31 tick
ECB
drop
Schnabel
there.
says seeing a slight revival
Double cross in the same spot from before, so they're filling them up here. Let's see if we're going to get the pop or the drop off of that. See if it's going to wake some things up here for us. That should be enough to fake them to the highs. Let's see if we get that drop. Currently MACVU still to the short side. I want to see a trap up top for the big play.
ECB Schnabel says the inflation is likely to return to 2% without a recession.
New bar on the
Inigo
wave.
long on
New
the
bar on the
NQ2.
wave.
Speed of NQ87.
Target filled. Target filled. Target filled.
All right, let's hear Moonshot in the chat. Get some Moonshot in the chat.
Speed of NQ62. Speed of NQ62.
Okay, so let's see how far that up move went. So that went 51 ticks. I got 20 and 30 out of it. Target 120. Hit the second one at 30. See if that shark cracks.
Speed of NQ51.
Yeah, that got really fast all of a sudden. So that snap down there, if you had ones or something on that, yeah, could have. Yeah, okay, look, we cannot get any flatter right here, okay? That's yoiks land. So, larger stops if we're taking plays there, fortunately, so I have to cut it quick if they're moving.
Speed of NQ53.
Okay, break. Oh, it held. Okay. So that is not a break of a long structure. Remember, we are still sell side. Okay, I'm going to take a stab short at that. Stops right above the cross. Little tiny stop here on a small. Supply came in. Oh, I can't get my stop clicking. Working on my stop clicking. Yoicks. Okay, so no drop there. Still shorts favorable on day and MACVU.
Speed of NQ54.
I know, it's an 18. I know.
Enigma short on the NQ2.
Drop it for me. Oh, feels like it's gonna be
on the 2.
Feels like it's gonna be a frustrating day.
Brent crude futures settle at $81.90 a barrel. That's down 98 cents or 1.18%.
Target filled.
Speed of
Target filled.
NQ89.
Target filled.
Speed of NQ89. Fib.NQ on the 9.
I see that red dot on the 9s, hoping that that's the one. About to be big, whichever way it is. All right, closing her out. Okay, so super frustrating day for me. I should not be at the keyboard. I have all kinds of personal situations going on with people that can't do what they say they're going to do, and you can't. There's a lot of people you can't count on. I can count on my crew. The rest of you, say la vie. I'll see y'all in the next one.